Hey guys, it's Andy from Sienci Labs. We're back at the shop. We're back from Toronto Woodworking Show, and we have just under 300 entries for a contest for $100 for the Sienci Labs store. So we'll be doing 3 draws to give 3 lucky people $100, and so they can buy end mills and t-shirts and other accessories. So we'll get our 2 beautiful engineering students to do the draw for us. We'll start off with Esteban. Can you read out the name?
Yeah, so the first winner is Jerry Black.
Awesome.
All right, Jerry Black.
Good job, Jerry.
Next winner?
Danielle Higgins.
Danielle Higgins.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Woo!
And then I'll do the last one. It's hard to grab. Glenn Gaston. Cool. Well,
Cool.
that's three people. So we'll
Congratulations.
Email to let them know that they have store credit. And thanks for watching.